Good morning, everyone. Our topic for today is all about the values and attitude in needlecraft, building creativity and patience in smocking, cross stitch, crochet, and sewing. So, values and attitude in needlecraft refers the important qualities and mindset developed while doing the smocking, the cross stitch, the crochet, and sewing. Well, of course, this includes the creativity, the patience, the perseverance, focus and precisions, disciplines, and of course, appreciation for handicraft. Next is we have the needlecraft. Needlecraft is more than just a craft. It is a skills that nurtures patience, creativity, and discipline. Whether it's mocking, cross stitch, crochet, or sewing. These activities require dedications and focus, shaping important values and attitude that extends beyond the craft itself. Well, of course, kita ninyo kay bao na unsay needlecraft. But needlecraft also, it is the art of creating designs and useful items using a needle and thread or yarn. It includes the activity like sewing, embroidery, crochet, and smocking. People use needlecraft to make cloth. Di ba kasagaran karon sa atoang generation is makakita ta nga nag-needlecraft sila, nag-crochet sila pinaagi sa yarn. Pinaagi sa yarn nga mahimo siyang og usa ka crop top, isa ka flowers. So that is people use needlecraft to make cloth, decorations, and other handmade craft. It requires creativity, patience, and attention to details. So we have here the key values attitude developed in needlecraft. First one is we need to tackle about the creativity and artistic expression. Needlecraft allows individuals to express themselves through unique designs and patterns and colors. It's up to you if we make crochet, example crochet. As what I've said earlier, the examples mostly of the crochet kay kasagaran karon nga matrend sa isa ka mga bata is atong crop top. Crop top maghihimo nilang crochet. So it depends on you how you express that designs, pattern, colors, nga pwede siya masunod sa uso today. It encourages problem solving and innovations in creating new designs or improving existing ones. Well, of course, creativity is the ability to think new ideas. Unsaon nimo nga pwede siyang ma-appeal sa trend karon and make something unique. Ay ma'am, pwede ra ba siya ma'am nga mahimo ra siyang crop top? No, well, of course, it can be as what I've said earlier, nga pwede siya mahimong design sa house, flowers, and etc. It's about using your imagination to create something original. Next is artistic expression. It is the way people share their thoughts, feelings, and ideas through art, like painting, dancing, craft, but crochet. In short class, creativity is thinking of something new, and artistic expression is showing through art. Next is we have patience and perseverance. Each stitch requires time and attention, teaching individuals to work steadily towards completion. Mistakes happen, but needlecraft encourages persistence and willingness to try again. Patience is the ability to stay calm and not give up. But kasagaran na itong mga Pinoy no kay ay dili na lang ano kay ngano kapoy. Aside sa kapoy siya kay ngano lisod kaayo. Pero watay pasensya sa kaugalingon nga pwede ta makahimo ana. It is by step process class. Next is even when things take a long time or difficult, basta na kay patient, pwede na to siya mahimo. Di ba siya pwede nga, ay, ato ni siya himuon on time. In 3 hours, I can make this crochet. But, depending on your free time, you can make. Next is perseverance. When we say perseverance class, it is the determination to keep going and finish something. Even when it's hard or challenging, even it's hard and challenging. Well, patience is waiting calmly, and perseverance is keeping or trying no matter what happened. Next is discipline and focus. Discipline and focus following patterns, counting stitches, and maintaining symmetry requires concentration and attention to details. It helps develop mindfulness and the ability to stay focused on a task for a long period. Discipline is the ability to control yourself and stick to good habits even when you don't feel like it. It helps you stay committed to your goals. When we say focus, it is also the ability to concentrate on one thing without getting distracted. Well, of course, guys, if natay focus, pwede ginato siya makumanda yun. Bisan pag unsa kapoy or unsa kalisod ang isa ka crochet nga atong pagabuhaton same sa atong project. If nakay focus ana and willingness to learn, mabuhat na nato. It helps us to complete tasks efficiently. Discipline helps us help you to stay consistent, and focus helps you to pay attention. Let's talk about the responsibility and work ethics. It is a completing a project from start to finish builds a sense of responsibility and pride in one's works. It also encourages commitment to quality and craftsmanship. Responsibility means doing what you are supposed to do and taking ownerships of your action. It includes completing tasks on time and being reliability. Work ethics, of course, class, it refers to having a positive attitude towards your works, like being honest, hardworking, and respectful. It means doing your best even if no one is watching. Kasagaran na ba nato sa responsibility and work ethics no kay ngan if naay mo tan-aw na to nga taw ganado kay ta mohimo sa isa ka project, ganado kay ta mobuhat sa usa ka butang, but as a Filipino dapat ato nang kuhaon class, it is because naa may nagtan-aw or wala, someone is watching you or wala mang yun, dapat we need to have work ethics. It's not all about the work, but it's about us nga dapat mo responsibility. It's our responsibility to do that one even if no one is watching. In short, responsibility is about being accountable. And work ethics, it's about having good habits and values in work without watching, bisan pag walay nag-watch nimo. If ganahan kasi mo trabaho, you are persistent to do that one. You have discipline and focus to do that one as well. Next. Next is we have the resourcefulness and practical skills. Needlecraft teaches individuals how to use materials wisely and make the most out of valuable resources. Provide practical skills for making or repairing clothing, accessories, and home decoration. As what I've said earlier, class. Let's make resourceful. Ma'am, naami diri yarn. So, since kabaw man ka mo crochet, you can make that one as well. Instead nga magpalit-palit pa ta, aside nga magpalit-palit pa ta adto sa mga malls or sa mga market, since you know how to make crochet, you make how to make something new nga na trend karon. We cannot buy, you just make to do that one. Home decoration, accessories, repairing clothes is one akong gingon ganihan no, sa repairing clothes. Aside nga na uso siya karon ang crop top sa mga kabatan-unan, but since kabaw man ka, you can also make that one in different way. Madi ka sunod sa uso. Resourcefulness is the ability to find smart and creative solution to problem using what you have. Sa unsa pa kaunsa nga dira nga what you call this one, yarn, if kabaw gyud kab sa karaan pa na, if it depends on the output, how you appreciate your output class. It makes making the best out of any situation, di ba? Bisag unsa pa nakabati ang ato ang materials, if nindot na siya og whole nga output, that is very good. Next is the practical skills. Practical skills are hands-on ability that helps you complete everyday tasks like sewing, fixing things, and budgeting money. Since practical skills man na natayorn daan, ngano magpalit pa man ta if ever kabaw day tam himo ana. In short, resourcefulness is about being clever in solving problems. Practical skills are useful abilities for daily life. Next is we have the sense of accomplishment and confidence. Finishing a needlecraft project gives a sense of achievements and boosts self-esteem. It encourages individuals to take on more complex projects and continuously improve their skills. So class, since of accomplishment. It is the proud and happy feelings you get when you complete a task or achievement. Yes, of course. Kay feel na to, di ba, anata ganiha, mag-start ta nga, di ta kabaw, ay kapoy, kay ani day siya. But, when you, sa tanan na tong kaagi, sa tanan tong kaagi sa pag needle craft, sa pag crochet, sa usa ka butang, or sa kana nga certain nga ato ang flowers pa or something. Pero if makita nimo ang product, if makita nimo kung ang imong outcome, nice kay sa feeling. So it is when you complete a task, achieve a happy, proud and happy feeling nga, ay anak ko ato kapoy, but at the same time kay makabawday ko. Next is confidence. It is believing in yourself and your abilities, knowing that you can do things well. In short, sense of accomplishment comes from achieving something, and confidence comes from believing you can succeed. Lastly is we have the application in daily life. Since needlecraft, crochet, we can use that one in our daily life. Handmade needlecraft projects can be used for personal use, gift, or even small businesses. Di ba anak ko ganiha? I have this, let me share this to you. I have a lot of friends nga ni-graduate na po sa CTU or even kanang trabaho ba or wala, eskwela bagbala, but they even know how to make crochet. They even know how to make crop top nga ilang gihimo nga anog small business. Ilang small gift or personal use nila katong crop top, pwede siya mahimo sa tumbalay or flowers. One thing first is this, pwede siya mawagtang sa kalaay. Aside nga mo kay buhatan, why not? Doing something maka-produce ta og new outcome. Next is the patience and discipline learned from needlecraft can be applied to other areas such as academics, work, and relationship. And this one also, needlecraft is very useful not just us but all of our students nga ganahan ana. Aside gani mas ang makabatan-unan karon mas kahibaw pa nato. They even make that one to make small business or something sa academic nila. So that is very easy application in doing life, in daily life. Lastly is creativity and resourcefulness can inspire innovation and other fields like fashion, interior designs, and entrepreneurship. So it is all about the creativity you as yourself nga dapat we need also to gamiton nato in our daily useful life. So that's all for today. So I do hope you understand and thank you so much and God bless everybody.